I'm doing an impromptu video here on some value Merlot. Don't run away. Watch this video till the end. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And I'm drinking some effing Merlot. Velvet Devil. I've done a few Merlot, videos on this channel, and Merlot continues to get a bad rap.
Captain, you got it.
And if they want to drink Merlot, we're drinking Merlot.
No, if anybody orders Merlot, I'm leaving. I am not drinking any fucking Merlot!
Okay, relax, Miles. Jesus, no Merlot.
And I think there's always an opportunity for us to get solid Merlot wines at a very good price. And this one falls into the value wine, criteria, under 15 bucks. Very good wine, and one that's always pretty reliable. As you can tell, this one, I had planned to maybe do a video on this a couple days earlier, but not so much. But here I am. I wanted to do that before we officially ran out. This is another wine from Charles Smith Wines in Washington, state of Washington. And much like their Substance Cabernet, this is something that has really good distribution. You can generally find it on the shelves for $15 or less, and you're going to be happy. Merlot is, if you like Cabernet Sauvignon, right, which most of us do, I think Merlot is similar in nature to Cabs, but it is softer. Has a lot of similar profile, flavor profiles, but is softer and a little easier to drink. And it also, frankly, is it's underrated in my book. This particular wine, this is a 2019 Velvet Devil Merlot. Kind of has all of those, black fruits, blackberries, some plums, all those types of fruits you really want in your Merlot. You can tell there's a little bit of clove in here as well, so you can but there is a softness. It's not aggressive coming out of the nose, out of the glass. So you can, I'd like to say if I were blind tasting this, I would be able to tell that it is a Merlot as opposed to a Cabernet Sauvignon, but we all know my record of blind tasting. It's not that great. So let's see what this wine tastes like, though. It's just delicious. It's easy to drink. It just glides right over your palate. It has some pretty decent length for a value wine, which is pretty neat. The blackberries, the plums, probably now more of a plum note dominating on the palate. I get a touch of vanilla, which I didn't smell on the nose. Maybe the clove kind of turning into a vanilla, indicative of the barrel impact. But all in all, just a really good wine to drink. So don't be dissuaded by the movie Sideways and Paul Giamatti's character hatred of Merlot. Don't listen to him, right? You should drink some effing Merlot, and maybe start here, and then build up to some wines that are a little more pricey and have a little more nuance. That's about it. Thanks for joining. I appreciate all the love. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribed. Hit that like button. Do all the things that YouTube wants you to do, so we can get out to more viewers, and we can have a more engaged community here. Talk to you soon.